what I need is when I'm going to do a download for you, okay? So I'm going to create this. It's a theta healing technique. I'll be downloading on each and every one of you, and you need to say a yes, a strong yes. When I say this is there, so you need to say a yes because then I'm going to download it on you. Okay. Now we have about 90 people right now on the chat, 89.
Yeah.
And I want all the 89 people out here to put a yes for me.
Okay.
So then I can download it on you. See, I need a conscious yes. No. So yes, in the chat has said, Parita has said.
Yeah, we'll just,
yes, yes, we need 89 yeses out here.
All right, everyone, start putting in your yeses.
Yes, Sunita, Dimple, Ritika, Charmaine. Yes. And as I'm saying it, I'm connecting to your energies and I'm connecting to the creator of all that is for your downloads. Yes, Ruchika Chabra, great. Sheetal, Andre, Dilip, Jitendra, Delbert Mirza, Anita, Ankit. Yes, Ankit, very good. Sarika Shinde, Minali Sawant. Yes, Kursi, Renu, Rashida, Pradeep. Come on, fast, type a yes. We need to go ahead. Yes, Lakshmi, Rosina, Sanya. Come on, yeses. Arpana, Ranita. Yeah, please type it on the Telegram. Madhu, Bindusha, Akshay, Tejal, Ojaswini, Prajakta, Shushma. Great. Okay. So I'm going to download new beliefs. And I am changing the beliefs to suit everyone's belief. So the negative belief I'm not going to download. I'm going to change the belief right now. I am rich and I'm proud of it. Because people are proud to be poor. You know, there is a kind of a proudness in being poor also. I'm not getting into the story why, but I am rich and I'm proud of it. Okay, so I'm going to change this belief for each and every one of you, for the 89 people out here. Creator of all that, it is commanded that I'm rich and I'm proud of it. We download on each and every cell, each and every genetic level, across the ancestor past lives. Thank you, it is done, it is done. Show me. Thank you. I can move above my station in life. Station means the place where you are, you can move. Many of us have this limiting beliefs in ourselves that we cannot move ahead. Only the rich can move ahead. Only people with certain backgrounds can move ahead. Only people with certain kind of education can move ahead. You know, so I can move ahead above my station in life is what I'm going to download on all of you. Okay, are you ready? Yes. So Allah Paramatma God, it is commanded to download the program. I can move above my station in life. I'm ready. Thank you. It's done. Show me. Across all the genetic levels, ancestral levels, soul levels. On each and every cell of the people in this money manifestation group right now, downloading. Thank you. Now, I'm rich and I run by gratitude. Okay, so I am rich and I run by gratitude. So, and instead of greed, I run by gratitude. So I'm changing this, right? So creator of all that is, it's commanded that this program, I'm rich and I'm run by gratitude, be downloaded on each and every cell of the people in this money manifestation workshop, on each and every belief level, soul, genetic, core, ancestral. And they know how they are rich, and they know they are rich, and they know how to live their day-to-day lives being rich. They know what it feels like to be rich, and they know it's easy to be rich and to be run by gratitude. And they have gratitude on each and every day in their life. And gratitude comes to them easily and effortlessly. Okay. One more. My money has wheels and it comes to me now. Okay, so are you all ready to have money which having wheels and coming to you right now? Yeah. So creator of all that is, it's commanded that the program, my money has wheels and it's coming to me now, be downloaded on each and every cell of my body, on all the levels, genetic, core, ancestral, history, soul level, on the levels of my ancestral. It's been downloaded in this 91 students now in this money manifestation workshop, and I know what it feels like to have money with wheels, and I know it's easy to have money with wheels. And you can think that as you are I'm downloading this, just try to visualize money coming to you from everywhere. Money, dollar bills, money bills, pound bills, a lot of money coming to you. Keep on imagining that as I'm downloading. The call to create money comes to you now. Thank you. It's done. It's done. It's done. Okay. So now many of us have this belief, that, and they don't know it, that, it's wrong to have more than the family. That means I can't have more than my brother. I can't have more than my sister. So they have this belief, and it's an unknowing belief, because maybe the brother is elder to you, taught with respect. Maybe your father had this belief coming to you unknowingly. So it's easy and it's right to have more than my family. It's a very important belief. People don't realize. Okay, so it's my right, and it's easy for me to have more than my family. We downloaded on each and every of these 91 participants in this money manifestation workshop, on each and every cell, each and every belief level, the soul, genetic, ancestral history. And it's right for each and every one of us here to have more than the family. And I can still have more than the family and yet be in gratitude and humble, and yet have good relations with my family members. And all my family members are happy that I have more than them. And it's easy and it's safe. Thank you. It's done. It's done. It's done. Show me. So you can see now a surrounding where you are with your family, and you see that you are earning more than them. You have much more than them. And you can see your bank balances being more than your siblings and your family members. And it's easy to have it, and it's safe to have it, and it's right to have that kind of money in life. So there is one more thing. Responsibility scares me is one belief in my money manifestation workshop in the theta healing. So I'm going to change that. And responsibility should not scare you. So if you don't know how to handle responsibility, money not going to come. So I enjoy responsibilities, what I'm going to download on each and every one of you today. Is it okay? Yeah, so great of all that. It's commanded to download the belief response. I enjoy responsibility. Be downloaded on each and every 91 members of this money manifestation workshop now. And each and every one here knows how to be responsible, and it's easy and safe for them to be responsible. And responsibility comes to them with each and every step that they make in their life. And they're responsible for the money they make on all the 4 levels: soul, genetic, history, ancestral, core. Thank you. It's done. It's done. Show me. Bill collectors. I'm afraid of bills, or bill collectors scare me. So I'm happy to get the bills. I pay my bills on time. You should look at the bill and not think, oh, electricity bill so much. No, I have more than enough money to pay for at least a year or 2 years. Got it? So I am happy to have bills, and I can pay off my bills on time. I'm going to download in each and every one, because that's also a responsibility to pay, because you have been using that electricity. Okay, so it's commanded that I can pay my bills on times and I enjoy paying my bills. And there has to be an enjoyment coming from you. Okay. So many of us pay the bills, but I pay on time and I enjoy paying it. Be downloaded on each and every one of you on all the 4 belief levels, in each and every cell of your body, unconditional love, divine light, and see yourself writing off checks to pay your bills and more, and yet having enough in the bank. And you know what it feels like to pay your bills on time, and you know what it feels like to have enjoyment while paying the bills. You know, it's safe, it's easy, and the creator's way of showing the responsibility and paying the bills of time in your way is the same. Thank you, it's done, it's done. So the last belief, the thought of lot of money scares me. So this I'm going to put it as a positive. The thought of money makes me happy. Lot of money, crores of money in my bank makes me happy. So creator of all this commanded that the thought of money makes me ecstatic, happy, joyful. Crores, having crores in the bank, be downloaded on each and every cell of my body today. On all the 91 participants of this group, on all the genetic levels, the source, the code level, the soul level, the history level, and the ancestors. Releasing the beliefs right from the ancestors and a lot of positive energy, positive thing coming to me that I can have crores in my bank and I can be happy. Releasing the fear of having a lot of money goes to the creator's love and light. And you are abundant and you know how it is easy to be abundant. And you know how to feel abundant and you know how what it feels like to have crores of money and behave as if you are having crores of money. It's your right to have those crores of money in your bank. Thank you, it's done, is done. Thank you for being so. And from 91, it went to 92. So here also you're manifesting. So thank you so much for being here. I really hope these downloads work for you.
Thank you, Doc. They were beautiful. They were such beautifully framed. In fact, Nikki mentioned as well that she's loving these, the beliefs that you're downloading. She loves how you're phrasing how you're phrasing them. So they're wonderful. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
And gratitude from on the behalf of the whole group. Gratitude from so many people who are expressing their gratitude. In fact, Rashida, Gina, oh gosh, the names are going up. Kersey, Dr. Rita Roy, Ankit, Charmaine, Deepa, Rachna. Thank you so much, Doc. What a beautiful exercise.